We are here today for the Cybersecurity Showcase, where we invite students who've been admitted to our program in the fall to come to campus so that we can show them the great program we have here in the school.
So today they will learn about what exactly the school teaches over here, what kind of programs do we offer, and then they will be learning about what tools they are going to learn in the next 4 years when they enroll at Eastern.
We tend to have in our program more of a hands-on and practical type of courses that we've introduced in the past several years. And one of them, I could give an example, is the Vehicle Cybersecurity course that I personally taught for a couple of years. And it has attracted a lot of students because we're right next to the automotive industry in Detroit. And there's a huge need for filling gaps in learning about the cybersecurity of vehicles and drones and so on and so forth.
By doing that kind of hands-on lab experience, getting experience, we are already there when it comes to SecOps, like security operation and things like that. We can jump right into it and align our skill set with the organization's purpose or their goals.
The key idea behind this event is that our students can see hands-on how great our program is.
Well, I had already decided I was coming here, but it more so solidified why I wanted to come here. With the professors, I wanted to see what they had to offer and like their ways of teaching, and I like the environment. It seems like a good place to learn, and the cybersecurity program seems pretty well.
It's the two-way learning that our professors don't just teach, they learn from us too. They make our classroom so adaptable and convenient for every student to participate and engage with any topics that is floating around the room.
On behalf of Dean Katu of the College of Engineering and on my own behalf, I'd like to thank so much Gamma Bob for giving us the sponsorship to host this event. Thank you.
Go Eagles.
Soar higher at EMU.